I normally talk about eating to beat disease, and today I think we're talking about drinking to beat disease.
Dr. William Li, a renowned physician, scientist, and author, has extensively researched the relationship between diet and health, with a particular focus on the role of angiogenesis in cancer and other diseases. Angiogenesis is the process where new blood vessels form, and it's essential for tumor growth and spread. Dr. Li highlights the need to eat foods that can block angiogenesis to prevent and treat cancer. In today's video, we'll uncover the amazing benefits of 3 natural drinks recommended by Dr. William Li that boost stem cells and help you live longer. With cancer becoming more common, Dr. Li provides insights on ingredients that not only benefit cancer patients but also help to live you longer. From understanding angiogenesis to practical tips for adding these drinks to your routine, this video helps you with the knowledge for a healthier and more vibrant life. Dr. William Li has explored how certain drinks can enhance health, promoting overall well-being and potentially lowering the risk of diseases like cancer and obesity. Dr. Li highlights the significance of including these beverages in a balanced diet to maximize their health benefit. While not all drinks are equally effective, some can be particularly beneficial for individuals with various health conditions. According to Dr. Li, health-boosting drinks offer numerous advantages, including providing essential vitamins and minerals through nutrient-rich ingredients. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that help combat chronic inflammation associated with many diseases. Moving towards our main focus, here are the 3 drinks that Dr. William Li had revealed after his years of research.
Green tea has polyphenols called catechins. They help to fire up our brown fat to burn down harmful white fat, so they consume fuel. When fat goes down, your metabolism will actually naturally rise at any age, even middle-aged people. And by the way, you're also burning away harmful body fat packed inside the tube of your body.
Green tea is well known for its many benefits, including fat burning, but one lesser-known advantage is its ability to kill cancer cells and inhibit angiogenesis. Dr. William Li has highlighted the potential health benefits of green tea, especially its anti-angiogenic properties. Studies support the high-performing benefits of green tea. For instance, the Shanghai Women's Health Study, which followed 69,000 women, found that those who drank green tea at least 3 times a week had a 37% lower risk of colon cancer compared to those who didn't drink green tea. Adding green tea to your daily diet can be a smart choice. Green tea contains bioactive compounds such as epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG), which have been shown to inhibit angiogenesis and suppress tumor growth. Not only does EGCG inhibit cancer cells, but it also prevents viruses like hepatitis C and HIV from entering host cells by interfering with virus cell receptor interaction.
And here's what's in the juice. It's got something called elagitannins. These are bioactives that can do a lot of great things. One of the things they do is actually they can cut off the blood supply to tumors, so they can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply. But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called Akkermansia.
Many doctors, including Dr. William Li, recommend consuming 100% real fruit, but not all juices offer the same benefits as pomegranate juice. While 100% pure orange juice with no added sugar still contains high levels of natural sugars and calories, Dr. Li highlights pomegranate juice for its exceptional health advantages. Dr. Li points out that pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols like elagitannins and anthocyanins, which can inhibit the growth of breast and prostate cancer. This juice has shown significant benefits in fighting various cancers, including breast, prostate, colon, and lung cancer, thanks to its anti-cancer properties. According to Dr. Li, pomegranate juice also promotes the growth of Akkermansia, a beneficial bacteria that helps modulate the immune system, improve blood glucose metabolism, reduce gut inflammation, and combat obesity. As a result, pomegranate juice not only helps prevent unhealthy body fat accumulation, but also protects against the harmful effects of excess sugar. Despite its numerous benefits, Dr. Li advises against drinking large quantities at once. Instead, he recommends a glass of pomegranate juice a day for optimal health benefit. Dr.
Drinking a glass or 2, very moderate. Red wine is associated with some beneficial health outcomes, lower risk of some diseases. But I will tell you that In no study, no research is alcohol.
William Li has also discussed the surprising health benefits of coffee, particularly its ability to boost stem cells and contribute to a longer life. Coffee is rich in bioactive compounds like polyphenols and antioxidants that have various health benefits. According to Dr. Li, one of the most significant benefits of coffee is its ability to enhance stem cell activity. Stem cells are crucial for repairing and regenerating tissues, which is essential for maintaining overall health and longevity. Studies have shown that drinking coffee can increase the number of circulating stem cells in the body, aiding in tissue repair and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. This boost in stem cell activity can lead to improved healing processes and a longer, healthier life. Moreover, coffee has anti-inflammatory properties that help combat chronic inflammation, a key factor in aging and many diseases. By reducing inflammation and supporting stem cell health, coffee can play a vital role in promoting longevity. In summary, Dr. William Li highlights coffee not just as a morning pick-me-up, but as a powerful beverage that boosts stem cells, aids in tissue repair, and helps you live longer. So enjoying a daily cup of coffee can be a beneficial addition to your routine for a healthier, more vibrant life. Dr. William Li's extensive research highlights the powerful impact of certain foods and beverages on our health, emphasizing the role of diet in preventing and treating diseases. From green tea and pomegranate juice to coffee, these natural drinks offer remarkable benefits for our overall well-being. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can significantly boost your health. Dr. Li advises enjoying these drinks in moderation, like a glass of pomegranate juice or a cup of coffee daily, to maximize their benefit. By doing so, you can support your body's natural defenses, enhance your metabolism, and potentially increase your lifespan. If you're interested in exploring more foods that can help you live longer and promote overall wellness, check our other videos.